In this video, we'll explore 3 ways to log in Magento 2 using the built-in PSR logger, a custom module logger, and the Zend quick logger. We'll also see how quick logging helps developers debug efficiently. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. For this, I have created a controller through which we log in. In this controller, I have added the PSR logger dependency in the constructor. I have also created a custom logger. For this, I created the di.xml file and added the handler to the logger. In the handler, I have specified the custom log file name. In the logger, I have extended the monologue logger. Now let's start. I have added logs using the PSR logger, and for the custom logger, I have added logs using the custom logger. For the Zend logger, I have added a quick logger log. I have also created a route for the custom controller, which I will now hit. Since the controller has been triggered, let's check the logs in debug.log. We can see the PSR logger entries in debug.log. In the custom file.log, we can see the custom logger entries. For the quick logger, the entries appear in quicklogger.log, which represents the Zend logger. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.